Well, hey there, folks. Welcome into the Frugal Fixer Shop. And today, well, we're up at Miss Sarah's house and we're putting her in an attic stair cover. It's made by Dualco, I think it is. And yeah, we'll get it put up and show you how it goes up. And y'all do me a favor, stick around and watch the video. And if you would, watch another one or two, because I need some watch time bad. I mean, I'm trying to get my channel going and I need watch time. I need subscribers, but I got enough of them to get by for now, but I could use more of the watch time. So do me a favor, watch the videos, hit those thumbs up, comment. Yeah, I'd like to hear what you think about it. Don't tell me about it, okay? Y'all carry on. Let's get this thing put up right there. Let's go. The nice lady needs one of these put in. We're going to get it done for her right quick. It's a dual sew attic cover installation guide. That's how it goes. Put it up there, stick it in, and go. So let's go get put in. We can have this. Let's go.
Now, I think you got your job cut out for that.
What, this? Yeah, it's going to be easy. Ain't gonna be a problem. It'll go up fine. We'll get it. I'm fixing to pull this double-sided tape off and stick it in the hole and staple it. Miss Sarah, you wanna come look at this right quick? I'm closing it up. Check it out. You ready? Watch this.
Ah! A zipper. Well, that's not the trick. And it was just that much to do. What?
That works, don't it? Okay guys, that's the way you put up a dual sew attic stair cover, and goes up real easy. Got it off the Amazon. Just double-sided tape, staples, and go with it and then knock it out. Do me a favor guys, take care of yourselves. Remember this, God loves you and so do I, and you can't take it with you. But do me another favor, okay? Help somebody out this week. Just anybody, help them out a little bit. Because I know you know somebody that needs a little help. And give them that, okay? Appreciate you. Take care of yourself and take care of everybody else around you. See y'all next time. Bye.